Currently, there is the process of voter registration that is going on, and we've seen that, especially in Bulawayo, there are a few number of people that have registered. So, as ZAPU, what are you doing in the community to make sure that people go and register?
Kukabili okweBulawayo singathi le mathebeli lento yonke when it comes to ama-figures of registered voters. Not ukuthi ngifuna ukujustify the low turnout for registration, but then sile ndaba ye-establishment ekhona, i-government ekhona suppressing ama-census figures since 1980 of this region, Bulawayo and the Matabeleland regions. Umbuzo ensuka ngibe lawo ukuthi if they can suppress ama-census figures, why not suppress ama-registration figures? But then that's subject to debate. Into engadibhetwa igcine siba wrong kumbe siba right, but then njengezapho siyakhuthaza abantu ukuthi behambe beregister ngoba kulama-effects even after the elections. Masikhangela according to the constitution sizaba le delimitation izenzakala probably before 2023 elections. If ama-figures lawa ehlala enjalo sesingasithola sesilama-constituencies amalutshwana ngoba the number of registered voters determines how many constituencies an area has. So if they keep ama-figures esiba phansi like this compared to other areas and provinces, singasithola sesilama-constituencies amalutshwana. Njalo it speaks to allocation of ama-resources, ama-state resources to areas. They use the number of registered voters, which is not fair in as far as ZAPU is concerned, but that's what is currently holding. And if they use those figures, we find ourselves a smaller share of the state resources as compared to other provinces.